come on. You still can't wait till I come back around.